So we're here with Peter of LG, and LG again has solved a major problem that a lot of consumers are faced with, design-wise.
Right, and there's always that problem when you're buying a refrigerator. Is it gonna fit? How thick is that door? Can it go up against the wall? And check this out. It is almost unimaginable how close that is to the wall right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Perfect. And look, no matter how close it is, even if it was against the wall, I can open that door right up.
So this is a zero clearance hinge, whereas typically you need to have space on the left or right side.
Right.
Because the doors are thicker, right?
Take a look at that, right? There's almost, 2 inches almost I need on the side in order to make sure that I have room to open that up with.
So
and
if you're up against a wall on the left or right side, this is going to be ideal. So at
Perfect.
90 degrees open, we can still get access to our pantry drawer, right?
Exactly. It'll open right up at 90 degrees, so I can still get in there. Isn't that great? And being a Counter F Max, a ton of space in here. So not only do we have the ice maker inside here, we were the first ones to market with that, but all of this extra wonderful space that everything can fit in, and a real great amount of storage inside of our freezer too. And check this out. I know you like this.
Oh yeah.
Craft ice.
So every 24 hours, we'll get how many of these?
You can get 3 that are clear or 6 that are semi-clear, and they are fantastic. So whether you like an old-fashioned or you like an old-fashioned Coca-Cola, it works great. They fit right into water bottles, and the slow melting works fantastic for anything. So
and one thing you want to prepare yourself, if you're entertaining this weekend, you got to make sure that you start on Monday, make sure you have a full bin ready to go.
It's not a big deal though. With the LG ThinQ app, you can go in there and turn up that ice production when you need to. So you need a little bit more ice here, or you want to up that craft ice from 3 to 6, you can do it right from your phone.
Awesome, awesome. So design-wise, this is a nice, clean look. I like how you guys have redesigned the dispenser area.
Right.
How it's just very clean.
And we love this new handle. Speaking of design, this is our brand new handle design. You're going to start to see more and more of our products come with this as we move into next year. I love this design. It feels great. Go ahead and open that. Isn't that nice?
Yeah,
it looks awesome.
I like how it's rounded on the back, and I like how it's square on the front.
Feels really good to grip.
It's not like a traditional squared off handle. So
it'll look good in any kitchen. And we really designed clear lines so it would look good. Adding just this into your kitchen if you need to just replace your refrigerator, or if you're upgrading your whole lineup, get something that matches with it.
Zero clearance, zero max, right?
Tell your friends, zero clearance, Counter F Max is here.
Awesome.